Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Photos and signing in. That gives you access to the app and backup features. Once done, grant the necessary permissions so Google Photos can access your camera and photos. This is why it will behave like a gallery. Make sure background app refresh is on, which keeps thumbnails current. Next, you'll create a shortcut that launches Google Photos and put it on your home screen to act like a default gallery shortcut. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to make a new shortcut. Choose the Open App action and select Google Photos. That's the core step. Then tap the three dots to configure details and select Add to Home Screen. This is how you create a clickable icon that launches Google Photos instead of Apple Photos. Make sure to give it a familiar name and choose or import a Photos-like icon so muscle memory leads you to it. Once added, it behaves like. Finally, move the shortcut to the spot where your old Photos icon lived and hide Apple Photos in the app library so you won't tap it by mistake. Test the new icon by opening a few images and using Share or Edit functions to confirm Google Photos handles them. This is why we granted permissions earlier. If it opens the wrong app, recreate the shortcut or reinstall Google Photos. Make sure permissions are set and background app refresh is enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.